we have a bunch of pine trees. They might be Loblolly, I don't know what type they are, but they grow up and they lose all their bottom branches and they just have a really big crown on them, which means they're top heavy, which could be dangerous. But the electric company lets them grow relatively close to the line. But we've had a couple die, maybe because of saltwater flooding. I'm not sure why. So I cut one. I cut it halfway and it just sits there on an angle. Pretty cool. And then this one obviously is dead. You can't see anything living on it. And the branches are falling down slowly but surely. Nothing dangerous yet. We park our car a little bit close to it. But anyway, I'm going to try to cut it and I'm going to try to make it fall. Hopefully in this direction. There's a dead tree there already. I think it was an oak tree that I had to plant when I built the house. So let's see. So I'm gonna take a wedge out of this side right here so it falls in that direction. And I've already started somewhat with a chainsaw that I don't like. This is the chainsaw I like. So I had to make sure to tighten the blade. You always have to do that. You should keep it lubricated. This one has a built-in oil chamber, and it's all electric. It's definitely not a very powerful chainsaw, but it does the job. I'm going to cut through the center of the wedge because I went a little wide, so it's not coming out very easily. Hey, Dad.
Hi, Tim. Hopefully it falls in that direction over there.
It looks like it's leaning the opposite way.
Wedge popped up.
Half the wedge. Cool. Now I know it's safe.
You didn't get it all.
Yeah, but at least it won't fall this way now. Well, I mean, I don't think it'll fall. Yeah,
Still need to cut it.
now it's resting on the wedge.
Alright.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I just wanted to get it away from the car. It sits here.
Mm-hmm.
Now it can fall apart itself, but I'll cut the rest of it down.
Nice work.
There you go. Awesome. Both of the little trees that I was trying to protect. There's both choke cherries. So it's awesome because it's just the way I planned it.